Welcome back. Man United confirm return for Cristiano Ronaldo CR7. Manchester United have agreed a deal for Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7, to return to the club from Juventus. United said the deal was subject to the agreement of personal terms, visa and a medical. United appeared to become an option when manager Ole Gunnar Solskjaer held a press conference on Friday afternoon and said their former star knows that we're here. Solskjaer added that United midfielder Bruno Fernandes has been talking to his compatriot Ronaldo. Asked why Ronaldo had supposedly been heading to the Etihad instead of Old Trafford, Solskjaer said, "I didn't think Cristiano was going to turn out leaving Juventus. He knows what we feel about him, and if he was ever going to move away from Juventus, he knows that we're here." Having missed out on Harry Kane, City did weigh up the possibility of signing Ronaldo, but came to the conclusion that the Portuguese was not the right fit for Pep Guardiola's squad. Cristiano will decide where he wants to play with Manchester United, not Man City.